Did you know that you can also use ChatGPT to help you during the application process for jobs? Because applying for multiple jobs becomes a daunting process, having to write cover letters for everything. So let's suppose that you were looking for Python Flask jobs on monster.com. So you find one listing and you want to first make sure that this job is for you, so without wasting the time of the employers. So you really want to make sure that you really want this job and you can do it. And if you're lazy, then writing a cover letter, you can just copy the description of the job and just ask ChatGPT to write a customized cover letter for this job description. And then you paste the job description there. And there you'd get a nicely written letter So that's the letter ChatGPT wrote. So if you want to follow up, you can say, oh, write that a bit longer or a bit shorter, and ChatGPT will rewrite it. Or you can also set the tone of the letter. So rewrite that with a more cheeky tone. That could be something you might ask if you would like to do that. So there we go. I hope this letter finds you in a cheerful mood, so that's something that could stand you out from the other applicants. Of course, you always want to double check what's being written here. So that's how you can use ChatGPT to find jobs. Thanks a lot for following this, and I'll see you in the next videos. See you.